Make a great choice today with the 2018 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.